maybe is the oldest food on the planet, consumed by several ancient civilizations. In fact, its seed remains were found in the tombs of the Inca civilization in Peru, and cobs old at least 4,000 years were found in Arizona as well. This staple food offers many beneficial properties. However, we shall focus on corn juice and its myriad of medical features that are extremely beneficial for your health. It is abundant in vitamins A, B and C, fatty acids, magnesium, phosphorus, carbohydrates, and folic acid. Furthermore, it is high in lutein, which is a substance that supports the heart health and prevents muscle degeneration. Here are the most impressive benefits of corn juice. Kills bad cholesterol, LDL. Protects the heart health. Rich content of potent antioxidants. Enhances the quality of bones and teeth. Stimulates the central nervous system. Powerful anti-aging remedy. Corn juice is a traditional drink in countries of Latin America and Mexico, which provides the body with great energy levels and antioxidant properties. Prevents anemia. Anemia is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B12 and folic acid. Corn contains a significant amount of these as well as iron, which is one of the essential minerals required to form new red blood cells. The deficiency of iron can also cause anemia. Facilitates weight gain. Corn is a great option for underweight people, referred to as hard gainers. They need to increase their caloric intake, so as to put on some pounds on their frames. Corn is calorie dense and rich in carbs, which helps to bulk up your body. Improves vision. The yellow kernels of corn contain substances, called carotenoids, that reduce the risk of macular degeneration. Impairment of vision at the center of your line of sight. Beta-carotene helps in producing vitamin A, thus supporting better vision. Maintenance of healthy hair. Hot oil treatment with corn oil can give you soft and silky hair. It has the right balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids that controls inflammation and prevents the scalp from becoming dry and flaky. These fatty acids are important constituents of the cell structure, facilitating the transport of fat, and the deficiency of any of these can cause brittle hair or hair fall. For this purpose, heat corn oil for half a minute and massage it on your scalp with the tip of your fingers. Leave it for 15 minutes and then rinse with shampoo to get soft and lustrous hair. Thus, corn can be a healthy addition to your diet, but certain things should be kept in mind. Corn contains high amount of fatty acids and is, therefore, not suitable for those who are at a high risk of heart disease. Excess of corn or corn oil can worsen these conditions and cause unnecessary weight gain. Hence, it is advisable to consume it in moderation to enjoy the maximum health benefits of this delicious cereal. Recipe for corn juice. Required ingredients: 2 cocoa candies, 2 tablespoons of cornmeal dough, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon anise seeds, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 cup of skim milk, a cup of water. Method of preparation. Use a casserole and place in it the corn flour, sugar, cinnamon, cocoa and anise. Mix them well and then include half a cup of water and stir till you form a paste. Next, add the remaining water and milk to the mixture, and once again stir well. Place it on a low heat, and when it reaches the boiling point, leave it for 5 minutes. If it is necessary, add more sugar. Use. For optimal results, consume this amazing drink in the morning.